Men, naghahanap ka ba ng kakaiba at murang portable speaker for laptop or cellphone? Watch mo to. Another day, another tamang buy with Paring Bray. And for today's video, our good friends from Topic Mall had sent us this RGB Bluetooth speaker. It is fast charging, tapos 12 to 16 hours non-stop sound trip. Cinema grade hi-fi sound na may deep bass, malinaw na mids, at crisp na highs. RGB lighting na swak sa gaming setup o chill mode. Multiple playback, kahit anong device, connect agad. Solid sa gaming, ramdam mo ang bawat action. Sa music naman, malinaw at malakas ang tunog. Men, kung sawa ka na sa tunog lata at gusto mo ng solid na sound quality kahit saan ka mag-connect, check out mo to, RGB Bluetooth speaker. Tamang buy ka talaga dito.